Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to start your business in 2025, you might be wondering which state is the best to form your LLC. In this video, I'll break down the top states for LLC formation, explain why some are more business friendly, and help you figure out which one fits your needs best. Stick around until the end, and I'll also share a bonus recommendation that can make your LLC setup smooth and stress-free. What makes a state best for LLC formation? Before we jump into the list, let's quickly define what makes a state great for forming an LLC. Number 1, low or no state taxes. Number 2, affordable filing and renewal fees. Number 3, privacy protection for owners. Number 4, simple reporting requirements. Number 5, business-friendly laws and codes. These 5 factors can make or break your business experience. And now let me tell you the top 3 states for LLC formation. Number 1, we have Delaware. Delaware continues to dominate in 2025. Its Chancery Court specializes in business disputes. Fast, expert rulings with predictable outcomes. Pros, strong legal framework. High business credibility, great for investors. Cons, annual franchise taxes and a registered agent required if you do not live there. Best for startups, tech companies, and businesses seeking investors. Number 2, we have Wyoming. Arguably the most entrepreneur-friendly state right now. It offers no state income tax, low annual fees, and excellent privacy laws. You can even form an anonymous LLC. Pros, affordable, private, tax-free. Cons, not ideal if you physically operate in other state. You'd still need to register there. Best for online businesses, e-commerce owners, and holding companies. And at number 3, we have Nevada. Finally, Nevada. It is known for strong asset protection, no income tax, and strict privacy laws. Pros, privacy, asset protection, and no corporate income tax. Cons, setup and annual fees are higher than Wyoming. Best for entrepreneurs who value privacy or have higher risk ventures. Honorable mentions. Other good options include Texas, no state income tax and booming economy. Florida, simple regulations and a large market. Montana, great for businesses purchasing vehicles, no sales tax. My recommendation. So which should you pick in 2025? If your business operates locally from your LLC in your home state, it's usually the simplest and cheapest long term. But if your business is fully online or remote, Wyoming remains the top choice for affordability, privacy, and ease of management. And now let me recommend to you an LLC service. And today we're going to talk about Northwest Registered Agent. If you want a trusted service to actually file and manage your LLC paperwork, I highly recommend Northwest Registered Agent. They have been around for over 20 years and are known for their exceptional privacy protection. They do not sell your data and they include free mail forwarding with every LLC. Plus, their support team is all US based and super responsive. You will actually talk to real people who know what they are doing. They handle everything from forming your LLC to staying compliant year after year, so you can focus on running your business instead of drowning in paperwork. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. And for more LLC videos and content, subscribe and join our channel. And goodbye.